Hello, Smarty Paws. Hidden letters. My P ask me. Hello, Smarty Paws. Let's play a question game. Listen closely. Can you guess which animal makes the sound?
Press the arrow.
My piano. Let's
Press the piano keys to play.
Word party. Time for spelling.
Can you find the missing T? Tree.
Awesome.
Can you find the missing letter in the word moon? M. Moon. Can you find the missing letter? Flag.
Bye-bye, Smarty Paws.